Magnesium spray is a topical solution often promoted for its ability to soothe muscle aches, enhance sleep quality, and reduce migraines. But how effective is it really? Scientific studies on transdermal magnesium have produced mixed results, leaving many consumers unsure whether it's a reliable remedy or just a trend. What is magnesium spray? Magnesium is a vital mineral involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions within the body. It plays a crucial role in DNA and RNA synthesis, protein formation, muscle contraction, nerve signal transmission, blood pressure control, blood sugar regulation. Despite the growing popularity of magnesium sprays, most health guidelines focus on oral magnesium intake, with no established recommendations for topical use. The daily recommended magnesium intake by age and condition is as follows. Adults 51 plus, 420 milligrams men, 320 milligrams women. Ages 31 to 50, 420 milligrams men, 320 milligrams women/lactating, 360 milligrams pregnant. Ages 19 to 30, 400 milligrams men, 310 milligrams women/lactating, 350 milligrams pregnant. Teens 14 to 18, 410 milligrams boys, 360 milligrams girls/lactating, 400 milligrams pregnant. Magnesium spray is typically made with magnesium chloride hexahydrate, a water-soluble form that allows for easy skin absorption. It's often marketed for reducing muscle tension and improving sleep, especially after intense physical activity or stress. Should you use magnesium spray for muscle aches? While many users report positive outcomes, clinical evidence remains limited. The effectiveness of magnesium spray likely depends on individual magnesium levels, skin permeability, and the underlying cause of the aches and pains. When to consult a healthcare provider. If your muscle pain is mild and clearly linked to physical activity or minor injury, magnesium spray may offer some comfort as part of your self-care routine. However, if the pain is severe, persistent, or unexplained, it's important to consult a healthcare provider to rule out underlying medical conditions. Magnesium spray benefits. What does the research really say? While oral magnesium supplements are widely used to support various aspects of health, the benefits of applying magnesium directly to the skin remain less clear. Magnesium spray is often promoted as a convenient way to bypass the digestive system, delivering magnesium directly through the skin to target sore muscles, nerve discomfort, or joint pain. But what does the science say? Can magnesium absorb through the skin? The primary theory behind transdermal magnesium is that it allows absorption through the skin, potentially avoiding issues related to gut absorption. However, high-quality research comparing the effectiveness of topical magnesium versus oral supplementation is limited. Despite this, a few small-scale studies have explored magnesium spray's potential in managing localized pain and discomfort, relief for post-intubation sore throat. One study examined the use of topical magnesium in people undergoing tracheal intubation, a procedure often associated with postoperative sore throat. Compared to a placebo, topical magnesium was found to reduce sore throat severity. While this finding is promising, further research is needed to determine optimal dosing and broader clinical effectiveness. Nerve pain and peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy, a condition often resulting from chronic illness, causes tingling, numbness, or burning sensations in the limbs. In a study involving 20 individuals with chronic kidney disease, the daily use of magnesium chloride spray on affected limbs for 12 weeks led to a reduction in both the frequency and intensity of nerve pain symptoms. It's worth noting, however, that the study's small sample size and gender imbalance, predominantly female participants, limit its generalizability. Muscle and joint pain and fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a chronic condition marked by widespread muscle pain, joint discomfort, and fatigue. A small-scale study involving 40 female participants evaluated whether topical magnesium could improve quality of life. Participants applied 4 sprays of magnesium chloride solution to both the upper and lower limbs, twice daily, for 4 weeks. The results suggested potential symptom relief. But researchers stressed the need for larger trials to confirm these benefits and identify the most effective dosage. Although emerging studies suggest that magnesium spray may help alleviate certain types of aches and pains, including nerve, muscle, and joint discomfort, the scientific consensus is not yet definitive. Individuals considering topical magnesium should view it as a complementary strategy and consult healthcare professionals for persistent or unexplained symptoms. Does magnesium spray increase magnesium levels? What science tells us. Magnesium sprays have become increasingly popular as an alternative to oral supplements, especially among people seeking relief from muscle soreness and other discomforts. But can applying magnesium to your skin actually increase your body's magnesium levels? Can magnesium be absorbed to the skin? Current scientific evidence offers limited support for the idea that topical magnesium significantly raises serum magnesium levels. Unlike the digestive tract, the outer layer of the skin lacks magnesium transporters, proteins required to carry magnesium into cells. Instead, absorption may occur through small structures such as sweat glands and hair follicles, which make up only a small fraction of the skin surface. What do studies show? Some studies have examined the potential of magnesium absorption through the skin. One early report suggested that transdermal magnesium could correct a deficiency within 4 to 6 weeks, compared to 4 to 12 months for oral supplementation. However, this claim is based on unpublished data and lacks peer-reviewed evidence. In a small human study, participants applied a magnesium cream containing 56 milligrams of magnesium daily for 14 days. While the increase in serum magnesium levels was not statistically significant, researchers observed a clinically relevant improvement, meaning the change might still have health implications, even if not conclusive in terms of data. That said, it's important to consider that the study author had a financial interest in transdermal magnesium products, which may influence interpretation of the findings. Clinical usefulness versus statistical significance. From a clinical perspective, even a modest rise in magnesium levels can be meaningful, especially considering that oral magnesium supplements often take months to impact blood levels. Still, further large-scale, unbiased studies are needed to determine how much magnesium is absorbed through the skin and whether it's sufficient to meet the body's needs. How to use magnesium spray. If you choose to use magnesium spray, here's how one study recommended applying it. Spray the magnesium chloride solution into your palm. Apply evenly to the affected area of the skin. Wait at least 4 hours before reapplying. Allow the product to remain on the skin throughout the day. Rinse it off before bedtime to prevent staining linens. Avoid showering for at least 1 hour after application. Rinse off immediately if skin irritation develops. Do not apply to broken or damaged skin. Possible side effects and safety. Magnesium sprays are generally safe for most people but may cause mild side effects, including skin irritation, itching or tingling, burning sensation, especially on broken or sensitive skin, a white, oily, salty, or sticky residue on the skin, depending on the formulation, rare but serious reactions. Although uncommon, allergic reactions to magnesium chloride sprays can occur. Avoid using the product if you have known allergies to any of its ingredients. Seek emergency medical attention if you experience symptoms such as hives or severe itching, swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing. If you have underlying health concerns or are unsure whether magnesium spray is right for you, consult a qualified healthcare provider before use. Key takeaways. Preliminary research suggests that magnesium spray may help reduce intubation-related sore throat after surgery, decrease the frequency and severity of nerve pain in individuals with peripheral neuropathy, and improve muscle and joint pain in those with fibromyalgia. However, the current body of evidence remains limited. More large-scale, well-designed studies are necessary to confirm these benefits and determine optimal application methods and dosage. Magnesium spray is generally well tolerated, with skin irritation being the most commonly reported side effect. If you're considering magnesium spray as part of your routine for managing aches and pains, consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying conditions or persistent symptoms. For more trusted science-backed health information, be sure to subscribe to HeInfo, your all-in-one destination for accurate, easy-to-understand medical content. Like, share, and leave a comment if you've ever used magnesium spray or want to learn more about natural pain relief solutions. See you in the next video.